Okay, so, paano mo malalaman kung gaano yung split sharing ng base shear, 'no, between, the shear wall and the moment frame, 'no? So, itong structure kasi na 'to, ay dual system, 'no? So, shear wall and the moment frame, 'no? So, ah, so ang loading ko dito, already scaled na dynamic base shear, 'no, from the response spectrum load. So, let's say sa sa X direction, ang ayan, ang base shear diyan, so it's around 9,033, 'no? Kasi ano 'to, positive and negative eccentricity 'to, 'no? Sa Y naman around 8,590. So, X lang yung consideration, 'no? So, for example, purposes. So, mas madali kasing reviewin kung graphical natin ipapakita, 'no? So, ito yung kay dynamic load ito, response spectrum load. Ito yung total base shear, 'no? 9,033.2. And then, for the shear naman, 'no, like resisted ng shear wall and the moment frame. So bale galing dito, 'no, so frame story shear, and then ito yung same load case, 'no, i-display ko lang. So 9,033, so dapat pareho 'yan, no, pareho 'yan. Kaya lang, combined pa kasi ito, 'no, combined, ah, shear wall and the moment frame, no? So, may shear wall dito, and then may shear wall dito, and then moment frame yung rest, no? So, para ma-split mo yung kung para ma-split mo yung shear between two system, so gagamitan natin ng frame numbering, no? So, kamukha nito. So, yung shear wall, i-assign natin as frame number 1, and then yung frame number 2 naman ay yung moment frames, no? So, yung beams and columns. Okay? So, i-3D ko na. And then, tanggalin ko muna yung mga beams and columns and slab, no? Para madali mag-select, no? So, ito. So, just click assign and then frame numbers, no? So, let's say wall. Okay? Wall, and then I will click pens, tapos select ko yan. Okay? So, ayan, so makikita nyo may number 1. Ngayon, i-turn off ko to, and then i-turn on ko yung beams and columns, no? So, assign frame number. So, this time, frame number to ito. Okay, with beams and columns, no? Then, i-pens ko to. Ayan. Bakit column lang ito? Okay, so turn on ko yung frame numbering. I-assign frame number. So, set ko sa 2 pens. Okay, and then assign natin. Select natin. Ayan. Say frame numbering natin. Ayan, okay na yan. And then, so, i-re-analyze lang natin, no? So, process, and then, click analyze, no? So, yung ano na lang, itong load na lang na to, no? For example, purposes. Yung dynamic load sa X direction. So, then, click OK. Yan, then click OK. Tanggalin ko na yung frame numbering, and lagay ko na rin ito. Ayan, no? And then, so, balik ko lang uli, no? So, let's say sa second floor. And turn on ko yung base shear, no? So, yun pa rin. Same number pa rin naman, eh. So, 9,033.2, no? And then, for the split sharing, no, between frames, so, i-click ko lang to frame story shear, and then click display. Ayun. So, ngayon may makikita kang dalawang numbers, no? Ayan. So, yung maliit, para yun sa moment frame, and then yung malaki is for the shear wall. Ngayon, kung kukunin mo yung percentage, no? So, 1264.42 divide 9,033.2, no? Ayan, and then times natin sa 100. So around 14% ng base shear, no? Yun lang yung nire-resist nung moment frame. And then, so 86% naman yung nire-resist nung shear wall, no? So on this case, pwede mo nang i-design yung shear wall, no, based on the 86% base shear, no, kasi minimum requirement naman dun is 75%. Yun lang, yung moment frame, kung kailangan i-design mo siya for the 25 or minimum 25% uh, base shear, kailangan mong i-scale up itong yung current load natin, no. So ang gagawin mo lang doon, let's say si 9033, no, 0.2. So multiply natin to ng 25%, no. So ito yung magiging target base shear mo. Then ito i-divide mo sa 1264, divide yung current shear, no, for moment frame. So ito yung scale factor mo para mag-increase yung shear design mo, no, for the moment frame, no. Ayan. So pagpunta ko dito sa load and load cases, no. So dito sa may dynamic load, let's say change, no, kasi naka-ano na to, naka-scale na to, no, response spectrum load na naka-scale na to compare sa equivalent, no, ELF, no. So since yung isang direction lang naman tayo, like for example purposes, so itong 0.1811 na to, i-multiply mo to ng scale factor na to, no. Okay, so let's say isang direction lang, no, then multiply ko to ng 0.1811, no. So 3235, no. Ayan, so 0.3235, and then click OK, no. And double check ko lang. Ayan, okay. So kaya let's balik ko lang, so 9033.2 times 0.25. So ito dapat yung minimum base shear natin, no, for the moment frame, no. So dapat ganun yung lumabas pag nag-analyze ulit tayo, no, specific with this load case. Click OK. Ayan. So i-turn on ko lang itong i-open ko lang itong calculator, then click OK. And dito sa frame shear, no, so click ko lang display. Ayan, so makikita mo, so 2258 na, no. So 2258. So malaki ng kaunti, no. So which is okay. So minimum 25%. So but pwede mo pang lakihan, no. Some other engineers are using between 25 to 35%, no, to base shear for the design of the moment frame. Ngayon, ang mangyayari, dalawa model mo, no? So, isa yung for the shear wall design, isa naman isa for the moment frame design. Okay?